Hey guys, this is my dirt bike. It's an '06 RMZ 250. Got no mods for the engine. It's just got some stickers. Put that on there. That, because when I got it, it did not come with it. Put a Fly Racing. Another one there. One more there. Got a little Thor sticker. Came with my motocross boots. I mean, pretty good tread on the tires. Got it for $2 grand. I mean, it looks brand new. Got a little far away view. The engine's in there. Sorry, it's kind of dark. I don't know why the flash ain't working. Yeah, I mean, it's really nice. Exhaust, all stock, like I said, 100%. Yeah, I've had it at the track a few times, my local track. It's really good. I'll start it up for you. I can start it up with just my hand most of the time. There we go. It's pretty awesome. I mean, for $2 grand, you can't beat it. Can't beat it for $2 grand. I mean, yeah. So that's my bike. Just leave a comment, anything you want to say or have any questions. It's not for sale, but if you have any questions about it, need any help with anything, I'm pretty good with them. So just leave me a message and I'll be getting more videos on here. So bye.